shown. Now we want to introduce our fiberglass drywall products for you.
Yes.
First of all, we want to show you our point. Wait a moment. We will show you some of our jumbo rolls. Yes, as you see, this is our standard rolls. Have different colors and different size. The standard width is 1 meter and 50 meters length. But actually, the maximum width we could produce 2.2 meter, and the jumbo rolls length we could produce 500 length.
Yeah, maybe 600.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Different weight we could produce different lengths.
Yes.
And also according to your production machine. This is an application for our fiberglass mesh. As you see in the left, we could use inside of the wall to make the wall more stronger, and also could use backside of mosaic and marble.
Yes.
To protect them during the transportation and the assembly. Now we want to introduce our packing method. Each roll we packing by shrink film. And also maybe if you like plastic bag,
yes,
we also put into plastic bag.
But the plastic bag normally not so clear color.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. It's up to your yearly operation behavior.
Yes.
And then rolls of the mesh put into the carton or put into the pallets. But now these several years, the most popular we will put into the woven bag. Sadly, many clients from Sally, they love this woven bag packing.
Yes. Woven bag, maybe 2 rolls in bag or 4 rolls. Yeah. Yes, depend on you.
So maybe you could tell our friends why your clients always like this kind of packing method.
Because you know, one container, the sea freight is same, yeah, but they can load much more. Because for example, for 160, if you with the weaving bag, it can reach maybe about 20% more than the box.
Yes.
Yes.
This kind of packing method will save the space in the container and saving your cost. And we also prefer this packing method because this kind, both you and me, we could earn more money maybe.
Yes.
So let's back to our sample. Now we want to show you the samples. This is this is our light. From now we will introduce from the lightweight to heavyweight.
Yes.
This one is 745 grams, and your
this one is 75.
60.
Oh, sorry, 60. Yeah, 60 gram.
Yes. So we can show you. You could see the mesh size is different. This light one, 45, is 9 by 9%, 9 by 9 per inch. Yeah. This one is 5 by 5. I mean the small hole, very small hole you could see. Yes. Both of these two weight we mainly export to Russia, Ukraine. They like this one using indoor during your decoration. Actually, in China now we all start use this kind of mesh to protect our wall during maybe some earthquake to make the wall more strong.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. So next one is one of our more popular weight. This is 75.
Yes, 75.
This mesh we take different color, but actually they are same weight, same weight. These products mainly we export to Turkey.
Yes, this one is 5 by 5.
Yes, this one is 4 by 4. They are very small, different. But all why different clients choose different mesh size. It's most of it depends on your behavior, your working and operation behavior. And why I take these small rolls here, because this one we could cut into short widths delivery to clients. Mainly, they use this 75 to up to the PVC corner bed. And later, we will show you our corner bed, same as this one. You could see. This is the mesh application. Later, we will show you more details about these products. Okay.
If I want this, what's the length? What's the maximum
length?
Yes.
The maximum length for this we could produce in 600 lengths. The width, the minimum width now we produce two products is 15
yes,
millimeter.
About.
Yes.
So I can also choose maybe 20 or 6 or
yeah,
30.
Sure,
yes.
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
It just depends on your PVC corner, what width your clients need. Then we could cut into different widths for you.
Yes. Also for this color, we can make maybe blue color.
Yes, sure. Different. Yeah. Actually, the different color didn't depend effect on the price. We could produce different colors for you.
Okay.
On the same price.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, let's move on to 90 gram. 90. Okay.
Okay, this one 90 gram. Let me show you. This one is also 5x5, and we export to South American with much quantity. You can see, not clearly. Yeah, if you cannot see clearly, just leave a message to us. We can send you the clear picture later.
Yes, and also you could click the link to see more details.
Yes. Also, for South American, we export this quality. This one together with this one is 90 gram, and this one is 110 gram with bigger hole.
Yes,
you can see
different colors. We will show you.
Yes.
This hole is more bigger.
Yes.
Actually, this just depends on your working behaviors.
Yes. How about the mesh size for this?
Mesh size is 10 by 10 millimeter each hole. Each small hole is 10 millimeter.
Much bigger than the 5x5.
Yes.
Yes.
And don't worry about if the hole is bigger, maybe you think the mesh will not so strong. But don't worry, because we put many glue content here. We want to show you 2 pieces of orange color. This is also the same quality. This is 120. You can see the hole is 10 by 10, bigger than 5x5. But you can scratch from different angles. It's no problem.
Yes, you can see. Yes. Very flexible and strong.
Yes, if you want some sample and checking by yourself, just leave message to us. We will send to you these samples.
Yes, and all the samples will be free for you.
You can check by yourself.
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the other 2 weight. You can show this one. Okay. This is yellow color is 125. Actually, we will show you the other color. Maybe it's blue. Blue one is 145. Both of these 2 weights we mainly export to Russia, to Ukraine. Every year we almost export more than 100 containers, 40 high Q containers. Yes. And these years, some of our clients, they want jumbo rolls, and because maybe years before we cut into the smaller rolls, maybe just 17 meters length.
Yes.
Very small diameter rolls. But now clients want to cut by themselves when they back to country in order to protect a very long delivery date, a very short delivery date.
So they can cut by themselves.
Yes,
okay.
Sure. Later we will also introduce some machines for you. If you want to have your own plant, you want to open your own industry, later we will show you what kind of machine and what kind of service we could provide to you.
Okay, perfect.
Next one, we will show you the most important weight for for us is 160.
Yes, 160.
Yes. 160 mainly to Turkey market for the outdoor wall. Actually, previously we also export many containers to European country, so the quality we could reach EC certificate is no problem.
Yes, CE certificate.
CE.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, we can also send you the CE certificate later if you want.
Could you louder? Maybe our friends cannot hear you.
Okay, sorry.
The mesh size, we have two kinds of mesh size. One is 5 by 5. And the other one is
4 by 4.
4 by 4. Yes. Previously, maybe in our early years, Turkey clients, they love 4 by 4. But now, about these 2 years, maybe they will accept 5 by 5 or 4 by 5. If you are from Turkey or you want to sell more to Turkey markets, just leave message to us. Me or Sally will introduce more details about Turkey market to help you get more clients in your local market and get more profit. Because now for the 160, actually, there are so many different kinds of quality level.
Yes. For example, for this one, it's flexible and with higher quality.
Yes, very high quality one.
Yes.
And the glue content also very high. Maybe normally we can reach 16%.
Yes.
And we can change the glue from China, made in China glue to, we could import bath glue from Germany also to protect, to make sure the mesh is very flexible and soft and and environmental friendly.
Yes.
For other kinds, if you want economic one, maybe we will introduce some other kinds of glue, some other kinds of hole size, or some kind of packing. So this is details, very details, because we cannot, maybe we have no time to show you now. We can check online or book our meeting room in Tencent.
Yes.
Okay, so next step, we want to show you some our not standard mesh, but our special design for our clients.
Oh, this one is printing.
Yes, this is printing mesh. Maybe you can see.
Yes.
Yes, you can see this is our
from our
customer's logo. Yes.
Yes. If you print, it can help you to promote your brand. Yeah, maybe more people will know your company and your logo. Yes.
Yes. Then this kind of a printing method is better for you to open your market and get a good reputation in your market.
Yes. Besides, for this one, it is bathroom glue. Yes. You can
very
see
soft,
very flexible.
Yes.
Yes.
Flexible. After we
scratch,
recover. No problem. We back it very fast to the normal one. Yes. This client imported this one for the waterproofing industry. Maybe if you are also in this industry, you can contact with us. We can talk more about how this using in your project and how it could help you to improve your reputation.
Yes.
This one is a new sample we just finished last week. This is we designed for one of our clients in Egypt. This is 341, and this tensile strength could more than 4,000. Yes, this is very high tensile strength to the backside of the marble, very heavy marble. As you know, the Egypt market and the South Africa market they love stone and mosaic very much. So this kind of mesh could produce their marble during the transportation.
So cannot crack easily.
Yes. And this is 340 grams. Actually, we also produce the maximum is 600 grams. It's just according to your how heavy of your cement block you want, and the different tensile strength request, we could provide you different weight.
Okay.
So if you want, maybe we can produce sample for you, and you could test by yourself, how about the tensile, and how about this together with your mesh, your marble to protect your products?
Yes, if your business is related with marble and mosaic, yes, we can introduce more size and weight for you. Yes. Also, samples are free.
Yes, samples are free, and we will make sure this could reach your request about the tensile, tensile strength. So what's our next? This is our another one for the insulation industry. This kind of these three is different weaving method. This is plain weaving, very light. The heavy is very light. This mainly in the insulation industry. Maybe for outside of the pipe or outside the air conditioner.
Yes. Air conditioner.
We export many containers to buy to India market. So the price and quality is very good for there. If you are from that market and you are in electric insulation industry, welcome contact us. We will introduce more details, what kind of weight and mesh size suitable to your industry.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, let's move to the next one.
This one is special size. This one, the mesh size is 9 by 7 per inch. Yes, you cannot see clearly. We can send you the clear picture later.
Yes, you can click the link. Maybe you can see our more details.
This one, the gram is 56. Yeah, we can also make other weights if you want.
Yeah, 56 now is most economic and popular one. If you want, we could also produce 65.
Also for the width, because the marble is different size.
Yes, this is using backside of a marble.
Yeah, we can make the width with different sizes. Yes, we can reach maybe 2 meter and maybe from 1 meter to 2 meter. Both, all of those we can make.
Yes, we can mix into your container from normal popular wide is 0.8 meters wide to 2 meter wide.
Yes.
They have 1.1, 1.2 wide in order to together stick on your marble.
Yes. Here I also want to introduce a special one. You can see. Oh, it's fun.
This different yarn.
Yeah.
Different yarn.
This is
bulky yarn.
We can also say texturized.
Yes. Texturized. These two also using backside of a marble. You could see the yarn is very bulky.
Yes.
So the area contact stick on your marble will bigger.
Yes.
So this is very sticky on your marble.
Yes.
We have two types. This one is double bulky yarn, and you can compare.
This one is single bulky yarn.
Yeah, one bulky yarn, one normal yarn. Yes. Different design have different price. It's according to your market and according to your using behavior.
For this single bulky yarn, for this single one, the weight is about 110. Yeah, and for this one is 120. Yes, the standard one. If you want other weight, we can also supply for you.
Yes. And any other sample could show our friends.
Let me see.
We have different colors you could use. This kind of different color just according to your market request. No matter about red, green, and orange, yellow. This is most blue. Popular. Yes. You could design by yourself.
For this type, maybe some South Korea customer know this. Yeah, we export this size to South Korea. Yeah, this one is soft. Yeah, very soft.
Both of them are very soft.
Yes.
We can back to normal, very flat one.
Yes, and both of them are 4 by 4 millimeter.
Yes.
Yeah,
4 by 4
with smaller hole.
The mesh size. So no matter what kind of mesh you want and what's your industry in and what's your operation area or operation behavior. Maybe you just can inform me and Sally, because both of us in this industry more than 10 years. We have so many old clients all over the world, and every market we know their most popular quality, most popular size, most popular color. So just don't hesitate, contact with us. We can talking more online and help you expand your market and expand your business in the new year.
Yes, because we have more experience, we
Yes.
can introduce the suitable product for you in your market. Maybe you can save your time. Yes.
Yes. So don't hesitate. Click the link in our right side. If you have any wanted message, leave us. Maybe tomorrow we could talking more about your questions in the live show also.
Yes, and please pay attention. If you can order today during the Canton Fair, online Canton Fair, we can give you the best price. Yeah, in our history.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jumping price.
Yes.
Okay, let's back to our PowerPoint to the other products.
Okay.
This is our fiberglass mesh tape. As you could see, this kind of mesh we cut into small rolls, and every roll with a shrink film and labels. But the width we could produce 5 mm into longer widths. Okay, next page, we could see the application. Mainly it's to the crack in the wall, and also it could using together with the gypsum board ceiling. Our CMBM also export many gypsum board ceiling. Maybe if you buy gypsum board from us, you could also mix some cartons of mesh tape.
Yes.
This is a packing. Yes, shrink film packing. Then many rolls into small cartons. Maybe 24 rolls or
36. Yes.
This is our standard packing method.
Yeah, we can also make as you wish. Maybe 50 or maybe 100 if your size is smaller.
Yes.
Yes.
And about the carton, normally we can print your logo, your mark outside the carton, and print your own logo in the rolls.
Yes.
So just the same information we could customization for you.
Yes.
Okay, let's back to the sample. This is the sample we take in the live showroom. This is one of the sample one of the label we printed to one of our clients. They designed it by themselves. If you have your own logo and this kind of label, we could print for you. It's free. Yes.
If you don't have, just send me your brand. We can design for you.
We have professional designers to design this label for you, to help you have your own label and your own market.
Yes. Oh, this one. How long for this one?
This rolls is our standard rolls, 90 meters. This is also most popular in the market.
Oh, so this one is smaller one. This one maybe 20. Yeah.
Yes, this kind of rolls. If your client is the supermarket, you could buy this kind of small rolls. We could make a plastic bag for every roll. It's easy for you selling in the supermarket.
Yes.
And also for mesh tape, we could produce different colors. See this blue color. Actually, years before, our friends from South America, they like green color very much. If no matter what kind of a color your market want, we could produce same as mesh. Yes, as you see, this is blue one.
Yeah, blue
and
color.
White one.
Yes.
The weights we produce is from 50 gram per square meter to 70 gram. But the most popular we are selling now is 50, 60, and 65. 65 gram. And the mesh size actually is almost the same. If you have any special request, just leave us message.
Yes. the tool size is 8.
For example, if you buy 50 gram, normally the mesh size is 8 by 8 per inch.
Yes.
If you buy 90 gram to South America or USA market, maybe it's 9 by 9 per inch.
Yeah. We can supply both 8 by 8 and 9 by 9 per inch. And 9 by 9, the whole size is smaller, yes. Normally for higher quality.
Yes, the quality level, because the mesh size is smaller, the price means a little higher. So if your customer is in the high position, they want good quality and good experience and good outlooking, maybe you can choose the high quality, high level, and high weight and smaller mesh size.
Yeah, 9 by 9. Okay. For this one, let me see. Oh, this one is different than this one. This one seems 5 cm.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one is bigger, more wider.
Yes.
So normally all kinds of widths we could cut for you. If you have a special request, it's also okay.
Yes.
We can show the stick house a stick one. And this one, this is another special design products for one of our clients. This one is very heavy mesh tape. They are using this to backside of a marble. If you use mesh to the backside of a marble, you need some glue to by your workers to stick this mesh to your marble by glue. But if you don't want this procedure, you can buy this one.
Yes.
This already self-adhesive. It could stick by the to the marble, only this mesh. So you will save your workers, save your labors, and save the glue. It depends on you. How about this? How about what kinds of mesh for you operation in backside of your marble? I want to talk more about this one because this is very good quality. As you see, this is 160 gram 5 by 5 mesh size. If you want special gram also, maybe 75 or 80, 90, 100, just we can also produce for you.
Yes. As a color, you can also tell me which color you want. This one is green. We can also make blue and others.
Yes, different colors. Okay, so let's back to our point. We will show you other corner products to which could use in your inside of your room. Yes, this kind of corner bags. This in the middle, this material is PVC, but as you see, they have white color and gray color. But all of them, the raw material is PVC and different design, different angle. The most popular is this right angle ones, and maybe you want different holes, the triangle ones or square ones or the circle one.
Different types.
Yes, different types.
Yes.
And also, if you want only the PVC bag, we could produce for you. If you want finished products already with the mesh, we also could produce for you.
Yes.
This is paper joint tape. Its application is to protect the corner, the indoor corner. This is tissue tape, non-woven tissue. This application is also to making the crack of the wall.
Yeah.
This is metal corner tape. Later we will show you real samples in our room. This is the application to protect the corner.
The corner.
In the right side is a packing method. Every roll normally standard is 30 meters length, but this year also we have some clients they want special length. We also could produce.
Yeah, maybe 10 meters, maybe 15 meters.
Yes, 10, 15, 30.
20.
But standard is 30.
Yes.
and every roll we packing into a small box. If your quantity is small, we just can provide you this white color carton.
Yes.
If your order quantity more than 20 GP, we can print colorful box for you. It's very good for you to show in your label in the supermarket, in construction material supermarket. Okay, let's back to our products sample here. We have many different kinds of angles, so we take many samples here. As you see, this one is a special design for one of the clients. This have one in the central is right angles, and both sides. This one is a more shorter one. If you want longer, besides the size of the mesh, we also could produce. Actually, the standard width is 10 centimeter.
Yeah, 10 centimeter.
Yes.
10 centimeter.
Yes. Previously, most of PVC corner is just white color, but now, as you see, clients want more colors, and we also produce as their request. This yellow one, and as you see in the picture, we have a green one. Now we want to show you different angles. This is right angle, the most popular and most economic ones. You can show the other angles. Yes.
Okay, you can see this one. Yeah, and the fiberglass width should be 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter.
Its standard is 10. If you want it's more longer in order to stick more stick with your corner, then you can increase the length, the width. But it also depends on your market, how your clients could accept what kinds of price level.
Yeah.
Price level also, because the wider mesh, the higher price.
Yes.
As you see, this is another angle. It's different shape, almost the same as a Y shape.
Oh, you can see we can make a different color for the PVC. We can also make different color for the fiberglass. Look,
yes.
This one is yellow color. Yeah.
White color PVC and yellow color mesh together.
Also, the fiberglass weight we can make as you wish. Yes, different weight.
If you want only buy the corner bed from us, for example, this is aluminum corner bed. If you just buy this corner bed from us, you want joint the mesh tape by yourself, we could produce this kind of mesh tape. You need a production line and some glue to stick this mesh.
Yeah, inside. Yes.
Then you need a small. Then you will need a small plant. If you just want to import the finished products, same as this, also no problem. This mainly depends on how about your labor price in your market. How about the plant rent price in your market. These are different angles.
Yes, different.
This one, yes, different shape. This one is small circle holes. Yes, let's start.
This one is paper. Outside is paper, and inside is steel. It can also protect the wall corner.
Yes. This is no special design, just the normal metal galvanized steel inside in the right angles. This one is outside is the paper core. Actually, we also have this one is cannot flex, and also this one is flexible. We can ring in a small rolls. Actually, the application is same. Just according to different market have different operation behavior. You can choose different products. The outside is paper corner.
Yes.
inside is galvanized steel.
Yeah,
Just
true.
this one cannot by any angle. It's a straight one. How about the length? Normally is for this kind of corner bed. Normally is 3 meters.
3 meter, yeah.
3 meters is our standard length. If you have any special request, because 3 meters just inside of the room from the bottom to your ceiling. If you have any special request, you can also contact with us. We will calculate different price for you.
Okay.
Okay, we can talking more about the paper. Yes. This is our paper tape. As you see, this is the semi-operation products. If you want to produce the metal corner tape, just stick the 2 galvanized steel belt on the paper corner tape. Then you will get another finished products.
Yes. Besides this one, the hole is very bigger. Yes. And this one is very smaller.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe this camera is too long. You cannot see, but actually there have some holes inside. The paper tape in my hand is laser holes. It's very small. You almost cannot find out by your eyes. But this one in Sally's hand, this is old operation. This is mechanical holes. The hole is very big.
Yes. But some customer like this style very much.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's according to your market. What's your market request? As you see, maybe you cannot find clearly. These 2 tape is different color. This one is a little brown. This one is more white.
Yes.
They have different weight per square meter weight, and actually the application is same. Just according to your prefer, which color are you prefer? Which color is most popular in your market? Just leave message and click the link if you need any inquiry. Okay.
Okay. 咱们这说了吗 Okay. This one is tissue tape. Yeah. You can see the standard weight is 35, 30, 40, 45. You can make any as you wish. This one is the 5 centimeter. We can also supply jumbo roll. Yes, jumbo roll.
Jumbo roll means 1 point. The maximum width I think we could reach 2 meter width jump, and then 1,000 or 2,000 rolls. You could cut these small rolls by yourself if you have a cutting or rewinding machine.
Yes, we can also take the label here and then plastic shrink the bag and then make the package.
Yes. So we can most all of our products we can produce and provide you different widths, different roll lengths, different color, different weight.
Yes.
It's have many different kinds of details. So if you need, leave message or booking a chatting room with us.
Yes.
Okay, let's back to our PowerPoint. Yes, this is another our fabric products.
Here.
This is coated fiberglass fabric. The raw material actually is same. They are woven by the fiberglass yarn, and then this is plain wave also, but the weight is heavy, and then coated by different materials in order to different working situations.
Yeah, for the fiberglass fabric, we have different models, and for this one, the model is
Could you back to our sample here?
Okay.
Yes. Maybe Sally could introduce your samples first.
Okay. We have different fiberglass fabric models. For this one, the model number is 3732. Yes.
3732. Yes.
Yes.
This is model number.
Yeah.
All over the world is same.
Yeah. Also, we can supply another size. You can see not clearly, but this one is square. You can see clearly.
Yes. Maybe it's some light. Yes.
Yeah.
It's aluminum.
Yeah,
aluminum coating.
Yeah, one side aluminum and the other is only fiberglass fabric.
Yes.
Yes.
The gray color in my hand is the silicone coating. Both sides silicone coating.
Yes. This one is gray color. We can also supply maybe the red color and any color as you wish. And for this one is PU coated. It's very soft. Yes. And also we supply the orange color. This one is PVC coated.
Actually, the colors depends on the different coating materials.
Yes.
This PVC coated fabric we export many containers to Korea.
Yes.
Our clients using in the boat.
Yeah.
They are using the waterproof.
Yes, waterproofing.
Waterproofing. Yeah. But actually, other materials, other heavy fabric, mainly using in the insulation working area. Or if you have a working operation plant need the fire welding situation, this will have a save the fire as a curve outside of the your welding situations.
Yes.
To stop the fire or the sparkles outside. Yes.
Yeah, to make it safe. Yeah.
Yes. And also maybe we can show our fire blanket.
Yeah, fire blanket.
This one fire blanket mainly we export to you can use at your home.
Yes. In your kitchen.
Yeah, in your kitchen. If there a small fire in your kitchen, you can cover the fire by this blanket. We can packing this blanket by this plastic bag, a plastic box or plastic bag, and the size. We can cover the size different. This one is 1.1 square, and maybe we can 1.2 by 1.8 meter. So different square have different area have different price.
Yes.
This is very popular already in China. I think later, all over the world, the government will persuade you to provide one of these fire blanket at your home.
Yes. Besides for this blanket, we also have our own certificate.
Yes.
Yeah, to make
the
sure.
The certificate is very important. Otherwise, it cannot inside your market.
Yes.
It's too far. It's EN certificate. So this could no problem into European market.
Yes, and we can make sure the goods with guaranteed quality.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you want small orders using by yourself, also can leave message for us. So let's back to our point. We want to introduce some of our plants, and because these years many of our clients, they have a dream to open their own factories. They don't want buy the finished products from us. They want produce by themselves because maybe China's cost price are increasingly. Not only the labor, but also our delivery date is very hurry.
Yes, we have many orders.
Yes.
And the delivery maybe sometimes not so fast.
Yes, these two machine is coating machine, and you see this machine is very tall, very big. It's almost 12 meters height.
12? Oh, so high.
Yes, very big machine.
Yes.
Because this is not only coating, it have a woven inside, and then the second time coating in order to make sure the quality of the mesh. This is 1 meter wide. You can coating. You can if you buy this machine, then you just buy the green mesh from us. Green mesh.
What's the meaning of green mesh?
Green mesh not means green color. It means the mesh without coating, just waving.
Yes. Just waving.
We will provide you jumbo rolls. You have your own labors and your own acrylic glue to coating this one.
So the customer will buy the green mesh from us and then they coat by themselves.
Yes, we already started this kind of business for Russia.
Yes.
Now Russia market is very popular. And one of my friends in Ukraine, he's also thinking this kind of plant by himself.
Yes.
This machine is after you coating, you need rewinding into small rolls, right? Otherwise, it's jumbo roll. In the left side, this one is rewinding machine. You can jumbo roll normally is 1,000 or 500 meters.
Yes.
If your client want use
maybe 40,
yeah, 40,
maybe
15,
20.
15. Yes, in the left side, this machine will help you to rewind into small rolls.
So they can cut by themselves and according to the customer's demand.
Yes. And also this can cut into smaller widths. For example, your client want this shorter ones. We have a shaft of cutters of this machine. You can cut by yourself. Then after your cutting, you cannot deliver it to your clients without packing. In the right side, this is a small packing machine. Packing the shrink film.
Yes.
Then you will get a finished product. And this one, as you see in our mesh inside, every inside have a paper core. If you cut into different size of mesh, you also need a paper core. This is paper core producing machine and paper core cutting machine. Then if you buy this kind of mesh, several machines from us, you will have your own plant. You can be a producer in your country.
Yeah, so you can produce anything based on our help.
Any different kinds of widths and lengths by yourself.
Yes.
So if you have any dream about the plant, you can contact with us. We could provide the training. You can come our factory, see how our labor is working, how about our capacity every day. Then maybe you can calculate your cost price. Yes.
Yes.
So now we still have several minutes. Maybe we can have some QA time.
Okay. Frida, I want to ask you some questions.
Okay.
Yes. So how about the minimum order quantity?
Minimum order
for the fiberglass mesh.
Yes,
yeah.
As you know, the fiberglass mesh is for construction. If you are a professional agent, you normally order containers, but you are just start. You are a freshman in this market. No problem. We can provide you maybe 500 rolls. If you think the transportation charge is very high, you can mix in your. There are so many different kinds of products in our CMM group. You can mix with our colleagues, mix into container.
Yes, exactly.
So we will provide you a wholesale chain. Yes, you contact with us. Not only these products we provide you, maybe the machine, maybe any other products we can also provide you.
So I can buy many goods from you and make one container.
Yes. And maybe you will have make a very successful business in your market.
So normally, how about your delivery time?
Delivery time normally in the busy season. For example, in the Turkey market, Turkey clients always very worry about the delivery date.
Yes.
For example, for the 160 gram, for this one, 160 gram, we just need 7 working days. 7 working days for 40 high Q container.
Yeah, one container.
This means we will have 135,000 square meters. 2,700 rolls just in 7 working days. And then the transportation on the sea normally is maybe 7 to 28 days. Then it will reach your port, seaport.
Yes. And last question.
Okay.
Yeah. How can you guarantee your quality? Yeah. How can I make sure you
quality always the most important. Not only you care the quality, also me, because everyone in China want. For me, I want to do long business with you and with all my friends. For me and Sally, we are always in the Canton Fair more than 10 years, 20 times. Every year we sitting in the Canton Fair, and if we don't protect the promise the quality, will come to me and maybe fight with me every time. So the quality if you worry about the quality, we can deliver a sample to you before loading. After check, you could inform us, let's load in the container.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Frida. Thank you for your
Okay,
answers.
next time our other colleague will start their live show. So
See you.
Let's say bye-bye.
See you. Bye-bye.
And see you tomorrow. Tomorrow early morning, 8:30 p.m. 8:30 a.m. is also us. So welcome back. Bye-bye.
Yes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you.